Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Prelims Current Affairs brought to you by Neo IAS. Today on 11th August, we will be discussing about Swachh Sarvekshan 2019, ODF Plus, ODF Plus Plus and Swachh Manch Web Portal, Ease of Living Index, Parivesh, India UN Small Satellite Program, and in our mapped program we have to see Danger Islands. Finally, we will be having previous question revision series. Let's go to first topic. It is Swachh Sarvekshan 2019. Swachh Sarvekshan 2019 was launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. It is a ranking exercise in which the cities, all the cities under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban will be ranked according to their cleanliness. So, such a first ranking was done in 2016. So, the upcoming ranking or the upcoming Swachh Sarvekshan survey is the fourth one. The first one was done in 2016. So, let us see the major objective of Swachh Sarvekshan 2019. The first one is active implementation of all the initiatives related to Swachh Bharat Mission Urban timely and innovatively. So, all the initiatives related to the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban should be completed timely and innovatively, and to foster healthy competition between the cities in order to make more and more cleaner cities, and to ensure the sustainability in these initiatives for the Swachhata missions, and will also provide credible outcomes from these cities, and those outcomes will be validated by or authorized or validated by an independent third party. Our next topic is ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus, that's Swachh Manch Web Portal. ODF means Open Defecation Free Status. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has came forward with ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus protocols under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. Actually, it's a certification program, or ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus will give some open defecation free status certificate to various cities, and their certification will be done by independent third parties. So, let us see what is ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus protocol. ODF Plus means it is a certification or it is a protocol which ensure the sustainable use or the sustaining the public toilet usage by ensuring their functionality, their cleanliness and their maintenance. So, the cities should ensure the functionality, cleanliness and maintenance of the public toilet, and to ensure the sustaining of the sustainable use of the public toilet. It is the ODF Plus protocol. Such cities will be certified with ODF Plus status. Next is ODF Plus Plus status or ODF Plus Plus protocol. It addresses complete sanitation value chain. The complete sanitation value chain means not only the sustainable use of the public toilet, but also the safe containment and the processing and disposal of the fecal, sludge and septage. So, the cities should safely contain and process, dispose the fecal, sludge and septage. Those cities will be certified as ODF Plus Plus. Now, we have Swachh Manch Web Portal. Swachh Manch Web Portal is a single web portal where all the stakeholders of the Swachh Bharat missions are brought together, and these stakeholders can create, participate and invite in various volunteering opportunities, and there is a facility to upload the pictorial evidence of the initiatives related to the Swachh Bharat mission. There is a stakeholders can upload the pictures related to the pictures of their initiatives for Swachh Bharat mission. Next is Ease of Living Index. It is another initiative of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. It helps the cities to assess the livability standard in those cities in relation to the various standards globally and nationally. Actually, this standard which are used in Ease of Living Index are closely linked to the sustainable development goals related to urban areas. So, this index will help India to track the progress of the sustainable development goals in urban areas. This index comprises of 4 pillars. Those 4 pillars are institutional, social, economic and physical. Let us see Ease of Living Index dashboard. The Ease of Living Index dashboard will rank 111 cities across the pillars. The pillars we have already mentioned: institutional, social, economic, physical, as well as category, geographical zone and population classification. So the dashboard will rank 111 cities across these pillars: category, geographical zone and population classification. And using this dashboard, the users can analyze the performance of various cities based on the livability parameters. So, the users can analyze the performance of various cities on various livability parameters. It is the ease of living index dashboard. Let's go to our next topic. It is Parivesh. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister has launched Parivesh. Parivesh stands for Proactive Responsive Facilitation by Interactive, Virtuous and Environmental Single Window Hub. It is hosted by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So, let us see what is actually Parivesh. It is a single window environmental management system. It's a single window integrated environmental management system. Simply, it is an integrated online system for management of the environmentally related projects. It will give an online platform for the submission of the projects related to the environmental management system to the Ministry of Environment and also to the state level environmental impact assessment authorities. So, such proposals can be applied by online to Ministry of Environment and state level authorities, and also the monitoring and management of such environmentally related projects can be done through this single window. And the online generation of approval letters and clearances from the ministry is also possible through this single window. So, we can say Parivesh is a single window integrated environmental management system. It's an integrated system which provides the facilities for submission of the project proposal, monitoring and management of various projects, and also generation of approval letters and the clearances from the ministry. Next is India UN Small Satellite Program. It is a capacity building program by which India will train selected students from the developing nations in the U.R. Rao Satellite Center in Bangalore for the next 3 years. That is, India will train the selected students from the developing nations on small satellite development technologies. It was announced in Unispace Symposium in Vienna in June. So, let us see what is Unispace. Unispace was started by United Nations in 1968, and Unispace brings together all the space scientists and organizations for the development of the students and the young professionals on the space research. It is Unispace, and India UN Small Satellite Program means India will train selected students from the developing nations on small satellite development. Next is our map aided program. Today we have to see Danger Islands. Danger Islands are the chain of remote rocky islands off to the northern tip of the Antarctic Peninsula. So, it belongs to Antarctic Peninsula, the northern tip of the Antarctic Peninsula. Recently, it has been appeared in news because of discovery of a super colony of Adelie penguins. Scientists have discovered a super colony of Adelie penguins. That's why this area, that is Danger Islands, has been identified as an important bird area by BirdLife International. So, please note on that it is an important bird area identified by BirdLife International. So, it is about Danger Islands, belongs to northern tip of Antarctic Peninsula. Our last session is Prelims Question Revision Series. Today we have a question from 2016 Prelims. It is, which one of the following books of ancient India has the love story of son of founder of Sangha dynasty? Options are Swapna Vasavadatta, Malavikagni-mitra, Meghaduta, Ratnavati. So, before going to the answer, let us revise few facts regarding this question. Actually, the question has mentioned about the founder of Sangha dynasty. Pushyamitra Sangha was the first ruler or founder of the Sangha dynasty. Agnimitra was his son and the second ruler of the Sangha dynasty. And the Malavikagni-mitra, written by Kalidasa, is the love story of Agnimitra and a servant girl called Malavika. Let us see about other options. One was Meghaduta. Meghaduta is a work by Kalidasa. It's a poem written by Kalidasa. This is Swapna Vasavadatta. It is written by Bhasa. It's an ancient work by Bhasa, Swapna Vasavadatta. It's a romantic narrative about the Valsa king Udayana and Vasavadatta. So let us go back to our question. Which one of the following books of ancient India has the love story of son of founder of Sangha dynasty? We have now seen that the founder was Pushyamitra Sangha and his son was Agnimitra. So the love story of son Agnimitra and the servant girl Malavika is Malavika Agnimitra, which was written by Kalidasa. So the answer is B, Malavika Agnimitra. Now we have completed important portions for today. Thank you for watching this video.